Hi, I'm Angela Clark and I'm an APQS educator. Let's talk about the ins and outs of loading a quilt. We're going to start by making sure our quilt is the right size to our backing, and we're going to find the center of the quilt and the center of the backing. You're going to make sure that your leaders are up over your leveler bar and up over your quilt top bar, and then you're going to pin the backing on to your take-up roller and roll it forward so that you can get it all up onto your quilt top roller. Then you're going to pin the top on if you are doing a partial float. If you're doing a full float, you're not going to have to do that step. And we're going to put the batting between the two rollers. Sew a straight line across the quilt, match the top of your quilt up to your straight line, and then sew the quilt top down to your backing, and we're ready to quilt.